Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video I'm going to look at this Tonor wireless UHF microphone. So you can use it for karaoke, podcast recordings, meetings, gigs, whatever. So I'm just going to have a look at what's in the box, how it works, and then just see what the audio quality is like. So in the box you have the microphone, which has got the space for the 2 AA batteries. It's got a nice solid feel to it, all metal as well. And then you've got the receiver with a 1/4" jack on there to plug into whatever you need to, your amp or your mixing desk or whatever, and a pairing button on there. And included in the box is a micro USB cable, and that's because the receiver is rechargeable, so you don't need batteries for this. You've got 2 AAs for this. Here is just a you can charge this up. It takes 2 to 3 hours to charge, and then you get 6 hours usage out of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge this up, find some batteries for this, and we'll have a quick look at what it sounds like. Okay, so I've just put the batteries in here now. I'm gonna now I've charged this up, so I'm gonna pair these together. So on here now it's showing me it's on channel 1, and here is the high or low button, which you can use to change the frequency. So let's change it: channel 2, channel 1, 3, 4. You can see you can go through the channels. There's 5 channels that you can cycle through. So now I'm just going to try and see what the audio quality is like, and then I'll also try wandering around a bit. I'm not in anywhere with a big hall, so I can try a really long distance, but I can walk around the house where I'm recording this. So I'm recording the audio now through my door, through the mixer, and then I've got the mic on there, so I can include that. So what you can hear now is the audio going through here, and I can switch between the two, but at the moment you're hearing the mic go through here. There's a couple of other bits included as well. There's a rubber stay for the mic, a pop shield for the mic as well, a little foam cover for a windshield. So you can hear what the audio quality, I can hear it through these headphones as well. It's sounding really good actually. So I've no cables. So you're doing your podcast and you want cables, or you're doing karaoke, you don't want cables, or whatever you're doing, a bit of gig, you can use this microphone. Tonor say that you get 200 feet from the receiver to the microphone, so you've got a good range of that. Like I said, I'll test that in a minute. Because I'm in the house, I'm just going to wander around the house to see how far I can get, make sure it's still working. But it certainly is easy to set up. Right, so next what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wander around and see, check it out from the other side of the house. So I'm going to take the microphone for a little walk around the house, just check the distance. I can see from the signal strength when it's dropped, so I'll know how well it's doing. Really need to try this in the auditorium, but I haven't got one here, so I'll test this around the house. So I've come down a floor at the front of the house now, and I've still got full signal strength, so there's going to be no problem running this in a small auditorium or in an office or anything like that. I could probably go, well, it's on full strength, so I could probably go double this distance. So anyway, 200 feet is what the makers say, so that looks about right. So I'm going to go back and check that there's been no audio dropouts, but I'm pretty sure it's okay looking at the signal meter. So that's the microphone, $42 for the set, 15 channels, 200 feet range, rechargeable bass unit, 2 AAs in this microphone. As you can hear, it's got good sound reproduction, it's a good microphone, no dropouts as I was walking around the house, so good signal for that as well. So good for meetings, podcasts, karaoke, whatever you need a microphone for. It's wireless, simple to get you up and running. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. You can find out more on our YouTube channel and on thedigitalLifestyle.com.